No spot down payment, modern expandable house. Accessible pa sa Manila, Cavitex at malapit rin ito sa Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting the Anghari Road going to MCX at Alabang. Malapit lang ito sa schools, worship area, markets, malls dahil along main road lang ito ng Arnaldo Highway General Trias Cavite. Sa location pa lang, panalo ka na. Quadruplex house nga ito kaya naman meron tayong provision for 1 to 2 carport. Kung interesado ka, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Ito ang space natin for living area at meron ka pang access sa side lot dahil included na ang sliding door upon turnover. And yes, for future expansion, pwede mo itong ipa-extend hanggang property line natin. At ito naman ang ating dining area at meron din tayong 1 toilet and bath with complete fixtures dito sa ground floor. So our kitchen area, pwede mo siyang ipa-extend dito sa service area dahil napakalawak pa ng space natin. Going up, meron tayong maluwag na hallway at meron tayong 1 toilet and bath and 3 bedrooms. Kasama na rin upon turnover ang ating sliding windows for proper ventilation at para makapasok ang natural light. In terms of community, gated, secured with complete amenities at ma-enjoy ng family mo ang outdoor activities. Dahil nature-friendly ang meron tayo kay Minami Residences. Kaya naman kung interested ka, just send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!